Hey guys, do you want to make YouTube banners that stand out like this and that the designs are aligned without cutting from the dimensions? And let me show you another one. As you can see, this is aligned with the dimensions that YouTube required. Also, this one. So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can get the dimension of YouTube banner and how to design yours for free on Canva. If you're new, you're welcome to fasthubb. Here I upload videos on how to make money online and how you can grow your online business, YouTube, and so on. So in today's video, we'll be looking at how to make YouTube banner in Canva. So in 2025, let's dive into the video. So the first step is to come to your Canva. And if you're new to Canva, you can set up your account by using your email to create an account. So when you get to your account like this on Canva, you come to templates and come to search thousands of templates as you can see on the screen. Now what you want to do and the thing you want to type is YouTube banner. That's what you want to design. Then you come straight to search and click on search. Now we have tons of templates there, but we don't need that. We want to create our own banner from scratch. Now if you use all these templates, you will have your design to move away from the dimension. Some of your text here might move close or cut away from the dimension. So that's why you need to create your own from scratch. Now let's go straight to that. You click on this plus sign that says create a blank YouTube banner. So you allow that to load. Okay. So as you can see on the screen, I have some dimensions here, vertical dimension, and when you come to this side, you see the horizontal dimension. Ordinarily, if you open your own Canva editing page like this, you might not see this. So to get this, you come to file. So when you click on file, you come to settings and select show rulers and guidance. So for example, if I close this, you discover that the dimension has disappeared. Now I want to open it. You come to file, select settings and move to show rulers and guides, or you can press shift R as you can see on the screen. So we have dimensions that YouTube use, and that's what we'll be creating here. So the first dimension is an example of the dimension I want to show you. So as you can see, we have this line is on 2054. That's for the horizontal. And the second horizontal is 506 or 503, between 508 and 2054. That's for the horizontal. So when you come to the vertical, this angle, so you click on the line, you see 508 and 933, but the actual dimension is 932 and 507, but you can use 933 and 508. Now let's come to our design here and select 2054 of 2053. So how you get that, you put your cursor here and drag the line downward. You drag the line downward and place. That's why we're doing the vertical first, which is 508. I think we have 54. So 508 is somewhere here. So we have a 508 here. So the next one is from the vertical 933. 933. So we have a dimension here. So for the vertical connecting to the horizontal here, we have the first dimension is 2054. As you can see, you come again to select 5. I will write the dimension in the description of this video so you can just copy and use. So we have 506. So you select 506. So whatever you put inside this box at the center is what will appear on your banner, as you can see on the screen. So it will appear here, and anything that goes outside the rectangle box will leave your content out or cut your content away from the view. So guys, this is how to create a YouTube banner for your YouTube channel that doesn't cut the information away from your content. Now let's create a banner to show you how this works. The first thing I will do, I will change the background color from white to black, and from there I can go to Google and type images. Okay, so let's say I want to use this. You can drag and drop here. So as you can see, I just drag and drop the image to fit in. So guys, this is the background I want to use for my video, my YouTube channel rather. So let's put some text. You come to text, you click on add a heading, which is the big one. So you can type your channel name. Let's say I want to create channel for vacations. So here I can change the text color to white and put some effects. Let's try and use this. Okay, black, and I'll try and increase the thickness. Okay, so I can come to Google again and type subscribe button, and drag. Okay, I think this one is cool. Drag and drop. Okay, so the way it is, it's not good. I'll try and remove the background. Okay, the background is removed, I think. So we can now try to reduce the subscriber button to this side and leave our content at the center, and boom, you have your YouTube banner created. Then you can come to download and select download and select PNG, which is the standard, and click on download. So you can see your content being downloaded that you can add to your YouTube channel. So guys, this is how you can create YouTube banner that doesn't cut away your content on your YouTube page like this and like this. So guys, thank you for watching the video till this time. So if you have seen value in this video, I want you to like the video and share with someone, and subscribe if you have not done so, so you can be part of the community. See you in my next video. Peace.